So now I'm heading towards Adina supermarket. The climate is still pretty good at the moment, and I'm gonna buy some stuff to make some delicious chicken curry. I'm not that good at cooking, but I do experiment and I do make an attempt to cook at times, and the dishes do come out good. So let's see how the chicken goes. This is my first time I'm going to cook something little bit different. I made chicken curry in the past, but this is going to be something little bit different. Something which is not the usual chicken curry. I don't know. Let's see. Can I get pepper chicken masala? Chicken curry. Hello, how are you? I'm good. Oh, they're fine. So I got the pepper chicken masala. So done with the shopping at Al Madina supermarket, and now heading home to make some delicious chicken curry. I hope it turns out to be good. I hope I'm able to do a full vlog of the video of me making the chicken curry, but let me see. If I do get time, I will vlog the entire thing, or I will just show towards the end the final full product that is cooked. And yeah, the climate is beautiful at the moment. Everything is nice. Everything seems perfect, and pretty windy at the moment, pretty breezy. So now heading home. At the moment, I'm having some strong ginger tea with cardamom. It helps in your immunity. So guys should try the ginger tea sometimes.